And here we go. Maydens Apiary. As you can see, we got a snowy day. We're back at it. Just when they teased us with the wonderful 50-degree weather, now we're here looking at these wonderful 33-degree weather days with snow bouncing all off me. The bees are pretty secure. I checked all 3 of my hives. They're doing all right. Plenty of feed. One hive is super strong, bringing pollen in. I imagine it's a skunk cabbage around here. It's probably the earliest sign of pollen that I think they'd find now. But the other 2 hives, they won't really bring anything in that I could tell. But it's fantastic nonetheless. Hopefully, and I'll get another 50-degree weather day. I can check on the girls again. Until then, every day is a gift.